This fucking guy turned the kitchen into a funnel cake stand at the carnival. What the fuck? Pretty good. Alright, funnel cakes. Now we got funnel cakes. Let's give her a go. Gotta get these angles better. I'm like, write me off a piece of that. Bro! Fire! Well, that's a 10, 10, 10. Let's do this guy. It's just random. Doesn't tell me. Oh, I'm gonna make some funnel cakes. You want one? No, you fucking know. He knows. He knows I fucking want one. So I get one. We're getting this fucking guy a channel. We're getting him a channel. We're gonna get it. We're gonna make it happen. He's gonna cook them. I'm gonna review them. We're getting him a channel. You get a channel. You get a channel. You get a channel. We all get channels. Fucking tune in.